Hello everyone, today I'm going to use this Leviton Slide dimmer switch to replace this regular on-off switch. I've just replaced my old obsolete halogen recesses can light with a retrofit LED downlight over my kitchen bar counter. I would like to have the ability to adjust the light brightness when I sit and sip. I put video links here for your reference. Let's start. For safety, in the electrical work, you better turn off the circuit breaker. Take off the cover and verify the electricity. I turn off the circuit breaker again to make sure this side switch doesn't have power. Before I turn off the circuit breaker is for this receptacle. So I double check. Right now, there's no power. Remove the switch and disconnect wire. Loose wire nut. Take short black wire off from the hot wire hub. Connect one black wire from the dimmer switch to the hot wire hub with a wire nut. Cut extra bare wire, leave with a 5/8 inches. Connect another black wire from the dimmer switch to the load wire with the wire nut. Loose the ground screw on the electrical box and then connect the green wire from the dimmer switch to the ground screw and tighten it up. Put the wire into the box. Mount the dimmer switch on the box. Turn on the circuit breaker. Check the dimmer switch function properly. Put the cover on and check the gap. Make sure it's even. And then screw in, tighten up. Finally, put the cover on and screw in. Thank you for watching to this moment. If you find this short video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Plus turn on the bell. You won't miss any new video. Thank you. See you next time.